Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace fuel pump for Honda Civic 2008. So the fuel pump located in the back seat, so you have to pull the trunk out and then you can see there's this hole. I think it's 12 millimeter. Let me take a look. And you pull out the back seat and in the middle of the back seat they have a 10 millimeter bowl that you have to pull out. It's located in the middle of the back seat. So this is after I take it out. Then you can remove the back seat. You can pull out, and then now we have to remove the top of the back seat. This part, okay. To gather that, you have to pull this back. The other side too. And they are connected with a 12 millimeter ball on the other side too. You have to remove that. You can remove both sides. You can pull out the top exit, and you can see over here it's also 12 millimeter. You have to take out that one. After it's done, you can pull out. Try to put the board some safety pins. Now we have to remove that 4 with a regular screwdriver. The plus one. Carefully remove the cover. Then they have a connected. You can see over here, and you have to unplug all the connectors. Wiggle it and pull out. And also, as you can see, it's so dirty. It's time for you to have a towel and I also use the balloon pump to create it like low air machine to clean. You can see before it's already, and I'm so lucky the connector burn, so I know that the problem is over there. So unplug that, and when you unplug, be careful. Sometimes still have gasoline come out, so I suggest don't smoking while you're building. After you unplug all the connector, try to clean as you can, because you don't want all the dirty or the dust get inside the tank, the gasoline. Now we just need to remove the water pump using a screwdriver and a hammer to remove that cover. As you can see, slowly the cover gets spinning. Just keep hammering. This part you need to take a little bit time until the cover get lost, not too strong. Alright, this is what it looks like after take it out, and make sure that clean good. You can see on the side, so as clean as you can. Before you pull out the fuel pump, and bring a bucket or something to get ready, because it's gonna be a little bit messy. You just need to wiggle a little bit. get your bucket ready, just put the old fuel pump and replace it with the new one. Make sure that you find the correct one. The correct model, the fuel pump, and just put it back. Okay. And redo the process. This is what it looks like, the old one and the new one after I put it back. And plug it in. And I just need to make sure that, also make sure that it's secure, good, strong enough. And then this, I need to find this cover, okay, before I can complete. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and hopefully this has helped you guys.